Welcome back to Alternative Info AI. Can AI heal broken relationships? From emotional AI to relationship apps, technology is changing how we connect with each other. Join us as we explore whether machines can truly help us reconnect and grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Let's get started.
Can AI mend a broken heart? Relationships are hard, like really hard. Friends fight, families feud, couples clash. It's a universal experience that transcends cultures and generations. The pain of a broken relationship can be overwhelming, leaving us feeling lost and helpless. It's tough to see eye to eye when emotions run high. Misunderstandings and miscommunications can turn small issues into major conflicts. The emotional toll can be exhausting, and sometimes it feels like there's no way out. Sometimes we just need a little help to navigate the messiness of human connection. Whether it's a friend offering a shoulder to cry on or a professional therapist guiding us through our feelings, support can make all the difference. Could AI be the answer? In a world where technology is rapidly advancing, the idea of AI stepping in to help mend our broken hearts isn't as far-fetched as it might seem. Imagine a world where AI acts as a relationship therapist, a mediator, a communication coach. It could offer unbiased advice, help us see things from a different perspective, and even teach us how to communicate more effectively. Could AI help us understand each other better? By analyzing our conversations and emotions, AI could provide insights that we might miss on our own. It could help us identify patterns in our behavior and suggest ways to improve our interactions. Could it help us fix what's broken? The potential is there. AI could guide us through difficult conversations, help us find common ground, and ultimately bring us closer together. It might sound like science fiction, but the reality is closer than we think. The technology is already being developed and tested in various forms. AI is already being used to analyze emotions, improve communication, and even provide emotional support. So buckle up. The future of relationships might just be intertwined with the future of AI. We're about to explore the fascinating and sometimes scary world of AI and its potential to transform our relationships. Join us as we delve into the possibilities and challenges of this brave new world. AI as your relationship therapist. Imagine pouring your heart out to a therapist who just happens to be an AI. It's not as crazy as it sounds. AI therapists are already a thing, and they're getting better all the time. These AI therapists use natural language processing, or NLP, to understand and respond to our words. They can analyze our tone of voice, facial expressions, and even our word choices to detect patterns and provide insights into our emotional state. Think of it like this. Remember those personality quizzes we all love taking online? AI therapists are like those quizzes on steroids. They can analyze massive amounts of data to give us personalized feedback and advice. But can AI truly replace a human therapist? That's a question we'll explore later. For now, let's delve deeper into how these AI therapists work. They are designed to simulate human-like conversations, making you feel heard and understood. They can offer immediate responses, which can be incredibly comforting when you're in need of quick advice or just someone to talk to. These AI systems are trained on vast amounts of data, including psychological theories and therapeutic techniques, to provide you with the best possible support. They can even help you track your progress over time, offering insights into your emotional well-being and suggesting areas for improvement. So, while they may not replace human therapists entirely, they can certainly complement traditional therapy and offer valuable support when you need it most. Stay tuned as we explore more about the fascinating world of AI in therapy. Decoding emotions, how AI understands us. Humans are complex creatures. Our emotions are messy, often contradictory, and sometimes even hidden from ourselves. So how can a machine possibly understand something as nuanced as human emotion? Well, AI has a few tricks up its sleeve. One of the key ways AI understands our emotions is through something called sentiment analysis. Basically, AI can analyze text, voice, and even images to determine the emotional tone behind them. For example, if you tell your AI therapist, "I'm feeling really down today," the AI can recognize the words "down" and "today" as indicators of sadness. It can then use this information to offer support or suggest coping mechanisms. Pretty cool, right? Rebuilding trust. Can AI bridge the gap? Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, but when trust is broken, it can be incredibly difficult to rebuild. Can AI help us mend those broken bridges? One way AI could help is by acting as a neutral third party. Imagine an AI mediator that could help facilitate difficult conversations, ensuring that both parties feel heard and understood. AI could also help us identify and understand the root causes of conflict. By analyzing communication patterns and emotional responses, AI could provide insights that we might miss on our own. Of course, rebuilding trust takes time and effort from all parties involved. But AI could potentially provide the tools and support needed to make the process a little bit easier. AI as a communication facilitator. Let's face it, sometimes we're just bad at communicating. We say the wrong thing, we misinterpret what others mean, we let our emotions get the best of us. This is where AI could really shine. Imagine an AI communication coach that could analyze your conversations in real time, offering suggestions for how to express yourself more clearly and effectively. AI could also help us to become more aware of our own communication patterns, both positive and negative. By understanding how our words and actions affect others, we can learn to communicate in a more empathetic and productive way. Real-life AI love in the time of algorithms. Okay, so AI sounds cool in theory, but is anyone actually using it to improve their relationships? The answer is a resounding yes. There are already a number of apps and platforms that use AI to help people connect, communicate, and build stronger relationships. For example, some apps use AI to analyze your personality and match you with compatible partners. Others use AI to help couples improve their communication and resolve conflict. And then there are AI-powered sex toys, but that's a topic for another day. The limits of love, where AI falls short. While AI has incredible potential to enhance our relationships, it's important to remember that AI is not a magic solution. It can provide insights and suggestions, but it cannot replace the depth and complexity of human emotions and interactions. There are limits to what AI can do, and there are some things that AI should never do when it comes to love and relationships. For instance, AI cannot truly understand the nuances of human feelings or the context behind our actions. One of the biggest limitations of AI is that it can only operate based on the data it's been trained on. This means that if the data is biased or incomplete, the AI's recommendations and insights will be flawed, potentially leading to misunderstandings or even conflicts. If an AI has been trained on a data set that's biased or incomplete, its recommendations and insights will be flawed. This can be particularly problematic in relationships where understanding and empathy are crucial. It's also important to remember that AI lacks the empathy, compassion, and understanding that are essential for truly meaningful human connection. These qualities are what make our relationships rich and fulfilling, and they cannot be replicated by an algorithm. AI can help us to understand and manage our emotions, but it can't feel those emotions for us. It can track our moods and suggest ways to improve our mental health, but it cannot provide the genuine support and comfort that comes from another human being. In the end, while AI can be a valuable tool in our lives, it is not a substitute for the real human connections that we all need. We must use AI wisely, recognizing its limitations and ensuring that it enhances rather than replaces our relationships. AI and us striking a balance. So what's the verdict? Can AI fix our broken relationships? The truth is, there's no easy answer. AI has the potential to be a powerful tool for improving communication, resolving conflict, and building stronger relationships. But it's important to approach AI with a healthy dose of caution, and to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for genuine human connection. The key is to find a balance between leveraging the power of AI and preserving the irreplaceable value of human connection. What do you think? The future of love and AI. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and it's impossible to say for sure what the future holds, but one thing is certain: AI will continue to play an increasingly important role in our lives, including our relationships. So what do you think? Are you excited about the potential of AI to enhance your relationships, or are you wary of the risks? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
Thank you for watching and being part of our journey.